Today are hacks that work. Crafts, cooking, cleaning, the 3 C's, and more than that, comfort. I want you to leave feeling supported and with a ton of ideas you can actually do. Brand new at Dollar Tree are these mini Nutella pots. Cute for stocking stuffers or even little gift ideas. But my favorite trick is to take frozen puff pastry and add Nutella to the center. I just get the off-brand kind from Walmart. Usually it comes 2 sheets in a box. Then I cut a triangle in the Nutella-filled pastry and save the sides. We're gonna use them in a second. For your next party appetizer, I've got you covered. Can you tell what we're making? A Christmas tree. Score the sides, and I used a Dollar Tree cookie cutter to make a star for the top, and then you're going to twist these over, and this is really going to give it the effect of a tree. You can use some Dollar Tree cookie cutters for the excess, and I decided to use some of the excess to make a little chunk. And then I lightly beat 1 egg, and I painted this right over the top, so it's gonna get nice and golden brown and crispy. Bake at 375 for 12 to 15 minutes. And while we're waiting, do you know what my favorite new product is at Dollar Tree? These $1.25 pillowcases. I love the gingerbread baking one. They've got zippers on them. You can take existing pillows to decorate your home on a dime this holiday. And we're ready. Doesn't this look so good? Break off and enjoy. And speaking of trees, this is the perfect pairing with that dessert. One of my favorite Christmas finds is ribbon. This is such a good deal for $1.25, and they sell double-sided tape. I'm gonna link to you guys the best deal. You can find it at Dollar Tree, but on screen, I'm gonna link you an even better deal, and check out this hack. This is one of those custom cards your kids can actually help with, and it's gonna look good. So put a strip of tape down the center of your card or even right on top of a present. This pairs perfectly with that Christmas tree appetizer for a hostess. Flip the ribbon back and forth and have it move outward like a Christmas tree. The only key is to make sure there's no tape showing as you go. But the real fun of this is customizing it. Let me know what you would do down below. They had these mini angels at Dollar Tree. They're nice and light, and I really loved this table scatter. You get so much for $1.25. And I put some of the smaller ones on like ornaments, and I just used the double-sided tape to do this. These are so cute. I love things that kids can help with, like our hot cocoa bar. They have Edelman hot chocolate K-cups, and these delicious mug treats are awesome. There's so many Dollar Tree options, and I really love these clear containers with ornaments on the side to decorate. But this next hack is gonna blow your mind. Go to the frozen food section in Dollar Tree. They sell Cool Whip. They also sell Ready Whip. The choice is yours, but put these into Dollar Tree cookie cutters and use one of the spatulas to spread these out. This is a fun Christmas Eve tradition, especially because you can do it so fast. And once you've got these filled, you're gonna freeze these for just a couple of hours or so. Then you have these beautiful little frozen bombs to stick right in your hot cocoa. They melt lovely and they're so cute. And if you've got the Christmas sticky, you know what I mean. Don't go anywhere. I know. What are you doing? There's a lot you have to share, huh? You gonna share with everybody your stuff? Okay. Sometimes it's our 4-legged friends too. Well, this is not from Dollar Tree. Man, it works. This is holiday magic, and I am not at all sponsored. I was at a Christmas party with some girlfriends, and they mentioned that this is the best all-purpose stain remover. You spray it on your rugs and even your couches. It could be on wine, any stain. You don't have to rinse it off, vacuum it up, nothing. And it comes magically off. I was really skeptical, and then I started trying it and I was like, holy cow, this really works. And it's really inexpensive. So if you need like the all-purpose miracle stain remover, I kind of feel like this is it. Leave a comment down below if you have tried Folex, and I'm gonna show you some more stuff with it.
There's no vacuuming, there's no waiting to see results. They just vanish.
Remember that one time we all bought a spot clean only tablecloth or table runner or placemat, and we were like, why are we doing this? And it got dirty. This stuff takes it off. They market Folex as a rug cleaner, but I have found I'm using it the most on things like this and my upholstery. I feel like we're due for a house cleaning video soon, don't you think? Are there any spots of your house that are bothering you? Would you let me know in the comments down below? Because I'd love to address it. You can click right on screen to purchase this if you're interested. Shout out to my friends Lindsay and Jen for that recommendation. Next time at Dollar Tree, this is the best price around. You grab some Jell-O pudding mix, name brand, and some Pillsbury traditional chocolate cake. This is the easiest dessert you can make. Have you ever had cake in a jar? Okay, that's what I was trying to hold up in the thumbnail. Let me just explain. This is so easy. Carson helped with this. Prepare your pudding like you normally do and bake the cake like you normally do. All right, so you're gonna cut down your cake into little squares and put it in the bottom of a clear punch bowl or a clear cake jar. I'll be sure to link one of these, the best price possible for you. Add then a layer of pudding and then a layer of Cool Whip. You can add Ready Whip to the side if you want to, just for a slightly thicker layer. And then you're just gonna layer it up. This is so beautiful, and more than that, really yummy. And I want to remind you too, as you are inundated this season, if you're anything like me and on social media, I feel like there's more content than ever. Quick videos and tips, and I love all of the things that make my life easier, things to try, and I hope that you find that here. But I also want to remind you too that it is more than okay to keep it simple. And if there's one thing you walk away with, the only thing more precious than your time is who you spend it on. Love and light, my friends. I'm so glad you're here. You are so loved, and if nobody has told you today, you are enough.